Lapig Jean Bernice L. with honors. Martin Dan Andre M. with honors. Parungaw Eros C. with honors. Pastor Princess Ayame G. with honors. Perez Laika May D. with honors. Ramirez Charles Giro P. with honors. Reyes Jazil Ann M. with honors. San Pedro John Wesley P. with honors. Sarmiento Dion Albert P. with honors. And last but not the least, Waheen Brett Michael L. with honors. Congratulations, my dear Laurel.
To present Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Osmeña, together with their loving parents and proud advisor, Ma'am Jonah M. Santiago.
Blessed afternoon to everyone. I am proud to present to you the Academic Excellence Awardee from UMS 11 Osmeña. To start with, highest honors, Daus Aliyah Joy A. with high honors. With highest honors, sorry. Okay. Then, let me proceed with high honors. Asido Tiffany May B. with high honors. De Guzman Daniel May DL with high honors. Santos Alexa May E. with high honors. Shera Divina DS with high honors. Then let me proceed with the students with honors. So the first is Alacon Liza Althea G. with honors. Iroso Andrea Z. with honor. Constantino Judith R. with honor. Dating Ginoo Janica N. with honors. Yes. Del Rosario Jan Elisa P. with honors. Galvez Aaron S. with honors. Inubero Marius Noel L. with honors. Martin Ashley J. R. with honors. Ma'am Bea Alexa A. with honors. Mondehar Albea D. with honors. Pahaige Lay Andrew L. with honors. Ramos Shaisel Ira Joy M. with honors. Rubio Gerard Noah M. with honors. Santiago Alfred B. with honors. Santos Justin Dominic A. with honors. Chanco Champagne Algina R. with honors. Velasquez Selena Jane R. with honors. Ventura Micah N. with honors. Vergara Jamaica G. with honors. Bidon Althea Cassandra A. with honors. And last but not the least, Pinluan Miracle Joy P. with honors. Okay, to my Osmeña babies, I am so proud with your achievements. Madami tayo pinagsamahan sa loob ng 10 months. May mga malulungkot man, pero mas marami ang masasayang memories. Sana, yun ang dalhin nyo habang tinutupad nyo ang inyong mga pangarap. Wala naman perfectong section, pero ginawa nyo ang makakaya nyo para maging mabuting mag-aaral. Tandaan nyo na sa buhay, di lang pagiging honor o pagkamit ng medalya at sertipiko ang mahalaga. Ang pinakamahalaga pa rin ay ang pagiging mabuting tao. Congratulations, Mayor Osmeña, babies. Mananatili kayo sa puso ko. I love you all. Mamimiss ko kayo.
To present Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Rojas, together with their loving parents and proud advisor, Ma'am Ivy F. Galang.
Magandang hapon po sa bawat isa sa atin. It's my honor to present the Academic Excellence Awardees of UMS 11 Rojas. Starting with Razon Althea Marie C. with high honors. Next is Bautista Princess S. with honors. followed by Kabanding Elijah Nina B with honors. Next is Copioso Justine Mylene P with honors. Next is De Guzman Diana May V with honors. Followed by De Jesus Kiel Trazen D with honors. Next is De La Cruz Princess B with honors. Followed by Encabo Maki M with honors. Next is Galang Lucas F with honors. And fourth place division integrated competition in Araling Panlipunan Kagitinan Songwriting Contest. Next is Catus Patrick J with honors. Also fourth place division integrated competition in Araling Panlipunan Kagitinan Songwriting Contest. Followed by Miranda John Chris with honors. And last but definitely not the least, Takahashi Princess Aya P with honors. Congratulations, my dear Rojas. Mamimiss kong bawat isa sa inyo. Congratulations once again. Thank you.
To present the Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Quirino, together with their loving parents and proud advisor, Ma'am Ana Dominique P. Kalangan. A round of applause, please.
Good afternoon, everyone. Let me present to you the Academic Excellence Awardees of UMS 11 Quirino, together with their loving parents. Starting with Angeles Mark Stephen S. with honors. Followed by Cortez Kathleen Ann G. with honors. Next is Costales Cristel Ann F. with honors. Del Rosario Kirsten Gale M. with honors. De La Cruz JCL with honors. Gamboa Ashley D. with honors. Gersha Christine V. with honors. Gime Angela B. with honors. Ibatuan J9 C. with honors. Manlongat Anastasia I, with honors. And last but not the least, Mendoza Micaela R, with honors. Congratulations, Youth 11 Quirino. Today, your achievements and efforts are truly recognized and celebrated. Keep shining and striving for excellence. Padayon, Youth 11 Quirino. Love kayo ni Ma'am Ana.
Before we continue, may we request everyone to please continuously clap for our awardees. And now, to present the Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Magsaysay, together with their loving parents and proud advisor, Ma'am Angelica S. Corsillas. A resounding applause, please.
May I proudly present to you the Academic Excellence Awardees of UMS 11 Magsaysay with their proud parents, starting with Julia Shane Mongado with high honors. Fajardo Marites D with honors. Martin Alia Blanca F with honors. Masilang Leila M with honors. Mateo Jasmine S with honors. Moriko Laika Micaela J with honors. Mota Madel F with honors. Analea F Navarro with honors. Pajernos Eris JP with honors. Pangilinan Angela Y with honors. Pasco Leon Joyce B with honors. Pascual John Reven S with honors. Riga Cherise P with honors. Rodriguez Marian Joy C with honors. And Sango Kyle Clifford M with honors. On behalf of Ma'am Irene Jose and Sir Marlon Lapus, congratulations 11 Magsaysay, and we are always proud of your achievements. Thank you. Para po sa ating mga minamahal na magulang at mag-aaral, maraming salamat po sa hindi pagtigil sa ating pagpalakpak habang may umaakyat po dito. To present Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Garcia, together with their loving parents and proud advisor, Ma'am Arlene T. Javier. A round of applause, please.
awardees. Good afternoon, everyone. I am proud to present the Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Garcia, starting with Nagao Clarence Michael M. with high honors. Roselle Jeneline R. with high honors. Mactal Zairaline DG with honors. Maraming salamat po sa pagpalakpak. Pamintuan Maria Virginia P. with honors. Pangilinan Regine Tisha C. with honors. Pangilinan Rian Paula C. with honors. Reyes Christine Joy P. with honors. Rodriguez Hazel L. with honors. Roselle Ashley May S. with honors. And last but not the least, Torres Zaira L. with honors. Again, congratulations mga anak. Lagi niyong tatandaan na umpisa pa lamang ito ng inyong laban. At ang tanging paraan lamang upang kayo ay magtagumpay ay mag-aral ng mahusay. Mahal kayo ni Mama Javier. Again, congratulations.
To present Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Macapagal, together with their loving parents and proud advisor, Ma'am Annalie P. Mapula.
Good afternoon. It's an honor to present to you the Academic Excellence Awardees from UMS 11 Macapagal, together with their loving parents and guardians. To begin with, Blanca Flor Eileen Marie L. with honors. Next, we have Kalma Jasmine B.S. with honors. Let us have Delara Kylie P. with honors. Next, we have Gabrielle Arceli B. with honors. A round of applause, please. Next, we have Marcelo Angelica with honors. Sorry. Okay, next in line, we have Padre Juan Angel May S. with honors. Next, we have Sagyon Angelica P. with honors. Next, we have Santos Giancarlo R. with honors. Next, we Solinak Edsel Lawrence P. with honors. Next, we have Piston Anika Z with honors. And last but not the least, we have Diana Caislin Ann L with honors. Congratulations to my Yums 11 Makapagal. Lagi niyong tatandaan, palaging proud si Ma'am Mapula sa inyo. Thank you so much po.
Muli po, ang lahat po ay inaasahan na pumalakpak. To continue, to present the Academic Excellence Awardees from Yums 11 Marcos, together with their loving parents and proud advisor, Ma'am Mia Ricati Godoy. A round of applause, everyone.
Good afternoon. It is my honor to present to you the Academic Excellence Awardees of Yums 11 Marcos. To begin with, Labor John Briggs S. with honors.